Hello and welcome to Around the House with Kay and Tom, and today I'm going to cook up some sausage and shrimp here. We'll put some veggies in it. Now I'm going to use this Pick Sweet Farms 3 peppers and onions. Now if you'd rather, you can go ahead and cut up your onions and peppers and all that stuff and put in there. But I'm going to use about at least a half bag of this, or maybe more when we get to going with it. And I'm going to use a can of Rotel tomatoes down in there. Got some of those good old green chilies in it. And so a little bit of thyme, a little bit of oregano, some Old Bay seasoning here. And I want to use it. I don't have a search and search. I have no rice in the house except these cups. Well, these cups will do fine. So that's good rice in there. So anyway, let me get started with it. The first thing I need to do is cut this sausage up and put it in this pot over here. Alright, now I'm just going to cut it in pretty small pieces like this, you know. Don't want it too big, about bite size. Okay, now I'm going to do this in this Ninja FOODi Deluxe right here. And before anybody says anything about it, if you want to put it in a pot on your stove, you can, but you're going to be heating up the whole house and you're going to be using twice as much electricity. So just because it's a pressure cooker don't mean you have to pressure cook everything you put in there, or air fry either. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn on the power here. And we'll go over here to where it says saute. Now, that high right there, see, if you see right here where it says high, I'm going to hit the temperature. And we'll put it medium high, and then we'll hit the start button. Okay, now I've got my olive oil here, and I'm just going to put enough in here to get the bottom covered a little bit down there. Don't want too much in it. Now you don't have to use olive oil. People use different kinds of oil for this. Seems like everybody's got their own preference, you know, so let's see if we can get the camera over here a little bit closer so when I put the sausage down in here you can see. And this is just my version of this, and I'm sure there's 100 others. You know, so. Well, I'll promise you one thing, this is going to be good, and it's going to be good to eat when I finish with it. So, like I said, you can do what you want. And I'm probably going to put that entire bag in there of this Pick Sweet Farms 3 peppers and onion blend. I'm probably going to wind up putting the whole thing in there because it sure is good. Alright, I can feel that getting hot, but it's not quite hot enough. I'd like for it to sizzle just a little bit when I put a piece of that sausage in there. That's not sizzling yet, see? Uh-oh, starting to now. It already smells good. Now, I don't know if I mentioned it a while ago, but this is sweet Italian sausage, and if you don't like this kind of sausage, you know, you can use something else. Like I say, everybody's got their own preference. Oh, so we'll dump the rest of this right down in there. Now you can hear it sizzling. Okay, now I'm going to take this sausage out of here. Put it on my plate. Okay, now we'll put a cup of chicken broth down in here. Go ahead and empty a can of this Rotel tomatoes down in here. Okay, and I'm going to empty that bag of veggies down in there, that seasoning blend. Okay, now make sure that you put your chicken broth and that can of tomatoes down there before you dump these frozen veggies down in there. Okay, now let's get this going good here. Cool down the pot, didn't it? Okay, now I've took my Old Bay seasoning here, and I put it in here a liberal amount, and I stirred them around a little bit, and I put some more in there, and I'm just going to let these sit here while I'm waiting for this pot over here to get ready again. And meanwhile, I'm going to stir it a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take a half teaspoon of this minced garlic here and put it down in there. I'll put me sprinkle me in some oregano here. You can see about how much I'm shaking in there. I'm going to put a little bit of thyme in here, only if I had more time, you know. So, a little bit of black pepper. A little bit of sea salt. Okay, now that's going pretty good, so I'm going to put these Mueller's wide egg noodles down in here. Give them a quick stir. I don't know what I'd do without a Fry Daddy scoop. If you don't have one, you really need to get one. Boy, this is looking so good. Like I said, just because you got a Ninja FOODi don't mean you have to pressure cook everything. Or don't mean you have to air fry everything. This pot is a versatile pot. I mean, you can do everything in it. Now I'm going to dump these sausages back in there that we put in there a while ago. Now, of course, we're going to save the shrimp for last because it cooks so quick, you know. So right now I'm thinking as soon as the noodles get to where they're cooked up pretty good, I'll just go ahead and put the shrimp right in. So to speed that process up, we'll put my handy dandy lid on top. Let that sit there and simmer for a couple minutes. Well, you got a chance, if you can, join our channel and give us a thumbs up. We sure appreciate it. And we sure do thank all you people for watching our videos. Helps us out a lot, means a lot to us. Now, the only fault I have with this lid right here is that handle. This handle right here, now that's going to get warm, so when you get ready to pick it up, make sure you pick it up with with a pot holder or something where you won't get burnt by it. Those noodles are nice and tender in there now. So take this shrimp. Now we ain't gonna be able to stay in there long now after I put this in there. Spread them out. Put this lid back on for a minute or two and sort of watch them, see when they're starting to get pink. Now these shrimp I got to tail on, so you have to watch it when you eat it, I guess, but that ain't no problem to me. Now in the meantime, if you still want rice, I've took one of these little containers of minute rice here and put it in the microwave over here. And I'm fixing to heat it up. So it says 1 minute. I bet you that's why they call it minute rice. And you hit start. Okay, and that's my LG inverter microwave there. It does a super duper job. Let's see what we're looking like here. Oh yeah. This is, turn this pot off. Just say goodbye. And we'll wait any longer to get it out and put it in a bowl. Okay, we'll turn the pot a little bit so I can maintain it a little bit more. Oh geez, that looks good. My rice is begging me to get it out of the microwave. I know you're thinking, why don't you just turn that pot up and empty it out? Because my finger just now hit it and it's really hot. But I'm going to in just a second here. Oh, imagine you can go anywhere and buy this. And some of you are saying, well, I don't think I want to go anywhere and buy that. But this is really good, and I'm going to tell you. I fix it a little bit different every time, but I fix this a lot, and it's never bad to us. And we never throw any of it away. That's the only bad thing about cooking. You gotta have somebody to eat this food, because you hate to throw any of it away, and you got to love to wash dishes. You know, that's why Kay likes to be absent a lot when I cook. No, I take that back. She washes as many dishes as I do, usually more. Got me tickled when I lost a noodle there. There you go on that part. Now, let me get me another plate here. Like I say, I love dirtying up plates, you can see. Okay, now here I have my little bit of rice, you know, and I know a lot of you are saying, well, that's overkill to have those noodles in there and rice too. Well, it's good to me. Up a little bit on there like that. Oh, goodness gracious. Just a little bit more. I have to make sure I eat all this I want before my brother sees the video. Because when he sees the video, see, I don't get no more. Because he comes over and says, I got a house number that. Well, some of that's gone. You know. Now let me get a fork. I don't see a single shrimp. Bad when you teach yourself our shrimp. Ah. This is so good right here. This is another one of those one-pot meals that if you don't want your visitors to come back, don't fix it. Just fix it when you and the family's around. And now that it's cooled off just a little bit, I'm going to take this pot out and take that juice that was in here, dump the rest of it right down in there. Just like that. Now this part of it that doesn't need anything. I mean, it doesn't need any salt, it don't need any pepper, it doesn't need anything. This is close to being perfect, folks. And being that the only thing I've ever called it was just sausage and shrimp, or shrimp and sausage, I don't know what else to call it, so that's good enough for me. This is just my version of shrimp and sausage. That is so good, so good. I hope you try this. I hope you try this exact recipe one time and don't change a thing. And I think you'll really love it. Well, I know you'll love it if you like sausage and shrimp and noodles and rice and veggies. So, until next time, thanks for watching my video. We sure do appreciate it. And come back and see us again real soon. And join our channel and give us a thumbs up. And so until next time, y'all have a real good and safe day now. And goodbye.